Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Supabase. In order to do so, head over to supabase.com, and according to their homepage, Supabase is an open source Firebase alternative. Start your project with the GRES database, authentication, instant APIs, edge functions, real-time subscriptions, storage, and vector embeddings, and you can click on Start Your Project or request a demo. If we just head down here just to look at some of the details about Supabase, every project is a full PostgreSQL database, the world's most trusted relational database. It's 100% portable, built-in auth with RLS, and it's easy to extend. You can add user signups and logins. You can easily write custom code without deploying or scaling servers. You could store, organize, and serve large files from videos to images, build multiplayer experiences with real-time data synchronization, and integrate your favorite ML models to store, index, and search vector embeddings. It's instant, ready-to-use RESTful APIs. Use one or all best-of-breed products integrated as a platform. Infrastructure to innovate and scale with ease. You can see how Supabase empowers companies of all sizes to accelerate their growth and streamline their work. And there are a variety of examples here. You can go to the official GitHub library. Stay productive and manage your app without leaving the dashboard. Full CRUD, materialized views, foreign tables, partition tables. It's easy as a spreadsheet. Join the community on GitHub or Discord, and we can click on Start Your Project to get going. So let's go ahead and you can enter in your email or password if you want to sign up. You're going to have to click there, but you can also continue with GitHub, which is what we'll do. We're going to go ahead and authorize Supabase. And once you do that, then you're going to want to create a new organization. So you could put in the information that's appropriate for you and then click on Create Organization. We'll just give it a moment here. And once you've completed that, then you can go ahead and create a new project. So let's go ahead and do that here. You're going to want to create a password as well and select a region closest to your users for the best performance. So let's go ahead and do that here real quick. And once you've got that set up, go ahead and click on Create New Project to proceed from there. And there you go. We have now gotten started with Supabase. So that's all there is to it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations and our socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.